Now today we will see modify toolbar in AutoCAD. In modify toolbar there are move commands, copy commands, rotate command, mirror command, offset command, rectangular array, polar array and path array. Now we will see it in AutoCAD. First is move command. For that, if I draw a circle of any radius and I want to move it to a particular distance, then I will click on move command, select the object, enter, select the base point like center point and move. In this move command, the first object which has been drawn gets deleted and the other object gets shown. In the similar way, copy command is used. For copy command, we select an object, enter, specify base point, I will take center point and move, copy. In this way I can copy anywhere I want, but the first object which I have drawn does not get deleted. I can also use array over here, enter number of arrays 3, enter, by taking original circle the number of array is 3. In this way move command is copy command is used. Delete. Now we will see rotate command. For that I will draw a rectangle. This is the rectangle. Now I want this rectangle to be vertical, not horizontal. Then I will just rotate. I will take rotate command or select an object, enter, select the base point and I will keep angle as 90 degree. If I select base point as a center point, see, enter, base point, center point, the objects get rotated about its center. So base point is very important, 60 degree. So base point is very important. Now I will rotate again, check, enter, degree. So if for getting exit of that command, press escape. Now mirror command. Mirror command is used to copy object at its line. This is the select object, this object, enter, specify first point of a mirror line, this line, and draw a horizontal line. For that use ortho mode on, draw horizontal line with any the line can be infinite, depends, the object should be drawn, and erase source object. The question asked by AutoCAD is erase source object. If you erase source object, yes, the source object gets deleted. If you erase, if you don't erase, then command see, in this way specify first point, second point, if we don't erase, then the first object remains same. In this way a mirror is been done. For this is the scale. If I want select an object, if I want to increase or decrease the size of the object, we use scale command. This is the base point, and I want to decrease. Copy. First use copy, and if I want to decrease, I will say use 0.5 value. Then this in this way the scaling has been done. I didn't erase the main object. The main object gets erased automatically, but I used copy command. In that way the first object, the original object does not get erased. I will show you once again. Scale, select object, enter. Now I specify base point. Now I want to increase the object, so I keep 1.5 value. The main object gets erased, and the scaled object is increased, because I have given 1.5 as the scaling ratio. Now we will see fillet. Select first object, apply the select second object, select first line, radius, give radius as R, enter, give radius as 20, enter. Then there is a fillet 20. Again I will show you fillet. Select first object, R, enter, select or give radius fillet as 80, enter. Select the second object, select second line, then fillet is been given. I can show you its radius is 80. Radius is 80. Now if you want to increase the dimension size, then type dim style, enter. In dim style, go to modify, then text, I will go to fit, scale increase overall scale to 10, enter. Okay, close this, sorry, dim style, enter, modify, fit 10, okay, set current, close. Photo radius, select radius, then modify, then text height, then enter. Okay, set current, close. Text height get increases. In this way, dimension size can be changed. Now we will see chamfer command. For chamfer, there are two types of chamfer: distance and angle distance. For distance, type 10. I'm sorry, 10 not 50. Enter. Specify second chamfer distance as 60. Enter. Now first I select this line. Chamfer is going to be 50 over here, and then the second line is going to be 60 chamfer distance. In this way chamfer is been done. Now if I want, if this is the rectangle, now if I want whole rectangle to get chamfered, I will use chamfer command. Select polyline, select angle, chamfer length. I will give chamfer length as 80. Enter. And chamfer angle as 45. Enter. I will select this polyline. Over here you can see this is also been chamfered, this corner is also been chamfered, this corner is also been chamfered. All the four corners are getting chamfered. We can use this command only if the line is closed path, closed profile, or it's drawn using a polyline, not in by line command. It means the profile should be joined, not exploded. Now we will see rectangular array. The rectangular array is defined as the arrangement of the objects into rows, columns, and levels that form a rectangle. In AutoCAD, we can create multiple copies of objects in the form of rectangle using a rectangular array. Let us consider an example. The steps to create a rectangular array are given below. Open the AutoCAD software, click on the circle icon on the given panel as shown in the below image. We can also write circle or C on the command line. Specify the center point of the workspace or drawing area to draw the circle. Specify the diameter of the circle. Here we have specified the value 1. We can provide any value of a diameter according to the requirements. Select the rectangular array from the ribbon panel. Now we will say rectangular array. In the rectangular array, first we will see this, we will draw a circle of any radius. This radius. Now I will take rectangular array, select an object, enter. Then this is the rectangular array. Here the number of columns are 4 and number of rows are 3. Now this is the distance. This is the distance between the spaces, between the arrays, between the circles, and this is the total distance 5651. This is the total distance in the columns. If I increase the distance, here the distance increases. If I increase this distance, here the distance gets increases. In this way a rectangular array is been done, and if we increase the level as 3 levels, and distance between them to be as 200, enter, and I will take number of rows as 1, enter. Then we can see in 3D, then we can see in 3D number of levels are been increased. This is the distance to 200 in the levels, and these are the number of levels, 3 I have given. So this is the array. In this way we can now if I draw a circle, and if I draw another circle at its quadrant, then if I take a circular array, that means polar array, I can select the objects to array, enter, specify the center point about which the array should be given, and these are the items. The spacing between the items is 60, number of items is 6, spacing between the items is 60, and it has filled whole circle, angle between them is 360 degree. In this way, if I increase this number of items to 12, it increases. In this way number of items can be increased. If I give spacing, if I fill the spacing to be at 270 degree, the total angle taken by the array is 270 degree. In this way array is been done. Now I will be teaching you polar array. For polar array, path array. For path array, we need to draw a path. This is the path, enter, and number of instances. This, I will draw a circle. This is the circle. Now if I take path array, first select the object, that means number of instances, enter, select the path, the number of instances increases. The items are 9, over here it is given 9. Now if I want to decrease, I can take I can select this arrow and increase the arrow size. I can shift the arrow. In this way along the path I can see number of instances decreases, the spacing between them increases. This is how path array is built. Now I will be showing offset command. If this is the circle, this is the offset command. Offset creates concentric circle, parallel lines and parallel curves. Okay, this specify offset distance. If I specify offset distance as 100, enter, specify object. This I can increase or decrease. The offset distance between these two circles is 100. In this way, concentric circles can be drawn. If I take line, if I draw line, enter offset, say space, offset second point, this is how parallel lines can be drawn. In the similar manner, vertical lines can also be drawn. Offset second point, specify offset distance as 100, enter, select object. This way the distance between them is 100. In this way, offset parallel vertical lines can be drawn or horizontal lines can be drawn. This is the modifier toolbar which I have taught you. Next section I will be teaching another thing. For that, watch ABC videos. Thank you.